Hello. Walaikum Assalam. Hello, students. For CSCC students, already we have started the application part now. First problem also we did, I think, right? One problem already we did. Okay, let us moving on to the next question. So, in application part, application of beta and gamma function, in that format only we are continuing. Now we have another question to prove. Is prove that prove that prove that integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to 1, and I request only CSCC students to join the class. Other student according to the program will take the class later on. There is a class for all the students, but please, those who are belongs to CSCC only can join the class. This is 10 into dx. This answer we have to prove that 1 by 396. Get ready with the calculator also. Wherever it is necessary, we can use the calculator also. Okay, I am writing the solution of this problem now. Solution. So in this type of definite integral problems, always we should start our work. Let us assume that this value is equal to I is equal to, it is 0 to 1 x power 5 into 1 minus x to the power of 3 and its whole to the power of 10 into dx. Now we use the substitution method. For that purpose, the least value we have to assume as t. Both of them are x values here and here. So the least one is x cube. That will be taken as t. X cube will be taken as t. When I am differentiating, give me the answer. What happened? What is the differentiation? 3x square dx. Give me the answer. Come on. 3x square dx is equal to dt. Then what about dx becomes? Answer dijiye. What does dx becomes? dt by 3x square. Right? Right now? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
आंसर दीजिए बाबा. कल आंसर अच्छा दिए ना आप लोगों, आज भी ऐसे आंसर देना है. इंटीग्रल 0 to 1 x power 5 we can rearrange like this. X power 3 into x power 2, right? Into 1 minus x power 3 value is already we have t here, whole to the power of 10 here, into dx value is dt by 3x square. dt by 3x square. Here x square term is cancelled. I is equal to, since 1 by 3 is a constant, we can pull it out. This is integral 0 to 1. Already t power 3 value is, x power 3 value is t here, that is t power 1 here, into 1 minus t whole to the power of 10 into dt. There is a still some arrangement is there. This I is equal to 1 by 3 into integral 0 to 1 integral. Acha, you may have a question, sir. We are not changing the limits, if you change the limit also, if you see lower limit x power 3, 0 power 3 is 0, 0 is equal to 0, it means that lower limit no change. If you put upper limit x is equal to 1, 1 power 3 is equal to 1 only, again t value, it means that there is no change in limit. We should write here, it is better, no change in limit, no change in limit, there is no change in limit.
सर
जी बोलिए।
सर ये क्लास सीएससी ए वालों को है नहीं सी वालों को है सर?
सीएससी सी की है बाबा क्लास,
नहीं वो लोग को फिजिक्स है, वो लोग को सीएससी सी वालों को, और सीएससी बी वालों को BEE है। टाइम टेबल के हिसाब
एक मिनट अभी मैं देख लेता हूँ, एक मिनट मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ टाइम टेबल। फ्राइडे ना, हाँ सॉरी, सीएससी वाला से, ओके मैं एक बार मैसेज डाल देता हूँ, सीएससी ही है। I'll delete that message. CSC A students please join the class. CSC C students को फिजिक्स क्लास है, आई एम सॉरी मैं टाइम टेबल नहीं देखा, आप लोग थोड़ा सा चेंज कर लीजिए। CSC C students प्लीज गो टू फिजिक्स क्लास, ओके।
ए सेक्शन में प्रॉब्लम करा दिए कल आप?
ऐसा
जी
हाँ,
यस सर।
तो क्या करेंगे, कंटिन्यू करेंगे या फिर नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में चले जाएंगे?
नेक्स्ट कर लेंगे सर।
नेक्स्ट
सर
कर, ओके राइट, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो अभी CSC C के कोई है क्या, देखिए इसमें नहीं है ना? सॉरी थोड़ा मिस्टेक हो गई, वैसे मैं देखा नहीं। So I'll take the next page better, okay? Okay, so now we continue the class for CSC A students. I'm sorry for that. I don't know that थोड़ा timetable में misplacement हो गया. Okay, the next question. How many questions we did yesterday for CSC A student in application?
3 questions sir.
Let us go for fourth question now. Prove that this is the fourth question. Prove that integral a to b, integral a to b, x minus a whole to the power of m minus 1 into b minus x into b minus x whole to the power of n minus 1 into dx. This is equal to b minus a whole to the power of m plus n minus 1 m plus n minus 1 into beta of m comma n. महमूद ये डिस्टर्बेंस किसके पास से हो रहा है महमूद, जरा देखिए. Which can also be written this relation as b minus a whole to the power of m plus n minus 1 into beta of m comma n. Already from the relation we can say that it is gamma of m into gamma of n by gamma of m plus n. In both of the way we can prove this result. So let us start the solution, I mean the proof of this problem. Okay, so what I said, in all these type of problems we have to use, if it is related to beta function then use the beta function definition, if it is related to gamma function then use the gamma function definition. Okay, so we'll think about it later on. First we start see by definition of beta function. I'm using beta function here because our question is somewhat it is related to beta function. now beta function की definition के जैसा थोड़ा सा भी दिख रहा ना.
जी सर.
That is why we start working with the help of the beta function. I am writing its answer, its value. Beta of m comma n is equal to, we have integral 0 to 1, and here we have x to the power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 into dx. This is taken as equation number 1. Equation number 1 में will go for some substitution to prove that our required answer. तो इसके लिए आपको जो substitution करना है, अब जरा नोटिस करें यहाँ पे क्या आपको आंसर क्या होना है. What we required x minus a और b minus x फॉर्म चाहिए आप. We have only x here and we have 1 minus x here. So in that for that purpose, some of the problem we have to remember what is the substitution. Here our substitution, x is equal to, if you put x is equal to y minus a by b minus a is our substitution here. Why b minus a? You see, in our required answer we required b minus a. Finally, after simplification, if you cross multiply, you will get this b minus a that side. A y minus a, it is related to x minus a. Finally, last at the end we can change the variable. Now if you differentiate, give me the answer now. What is the differentiation of x? It should be dx. The numerator, what is the differentiation of y? It must be dy. And differentiation of this minus a, it is a constant, forget about it, divided by, this is a multiple term, this is a constant term, 1 by b minus a as it is. Now what happened to the limits? You see, lower limit. Answer दीजिए महमूद, answer दीजिए. Lower limit, if you put, what is the lower limit here now? X is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0 here, what happened? 0 is equal to y minus a by b minus a, cross multiply, y minus a is equal to 0, implies we can say that y is equal to a now.
Yes sir.
Similarly, put if you put x is equal to 1, so 1 and cross multiply, this implies that b minus a is equal to y minus a. b minus a is equal to y minus a. we can cancel it out, minus a on both sides, which means that b is equal to y is our upper limit. It is our upper limit, lower limit and upper limit. So the problem becomes, this is our problem, beta of m comma n becomes, I am continuing here. You understand now this? Beta of m comma n is equal to, what will be the lower limit? It is a. What is the upper limit? It is b. Am I correct here? What is the value of x? Give me the answer. Bolo baba, boliye. Y minus a divided by b minus a and the power of m minus n. So what I am doing here is individually we apply the power m minus n for this term and we apply the power m minus n for this term also into 1 minus x. X is again y minus a by b minus a, y minus a by b minus a whole to the power of n minus 1 into dx value is dy by b minus a. आप लोग एक बार से इसको खुद से भी कर लिए तो भी आ जाता, मैं पढ़ाने के बाद में. इंटीग्रल a to b y minus a to the power of m minus 1 and the denominator here b minus a to the power of m minus 1 again. Now if you take the LCM multiplied by, if you take the LCM, what is LCM here?
b minus a.
Yes, b minus a along with the power we can take the LCM now, n minus 1. The cross multiply here you will get b minus a minus y minus into minus plus a, its power also n minus 1 into dy by b minus a. Okay, Mahmood? Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Plus a minus a, cancel it out. Integral a to b. Integral a to b. See, first of all, the denominator. If you notice the denominator, bases are equal, power should be
Added.
So when I add the powers, m minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus, what is the power of this? 1. Okay, and here y minus a to the power of m minus 1, b minus y to the power of n minus 1, and then we have dy here. What happened here? Plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancel it out, and the term you cross multiply that side. Already if you cross multiply, b minus a whole to the power of, what is left of here? M plus n minus 1, and already beta of m comma 1 n value is also available here now. Yes, यहाँ पे
Yes,
beta
sir.
of m comma n already है ना बाबा, that is equal to integral a to b, we'll change the variable here. Y we can change with x minus a to the power of m minus 1, and this is again b as it is, minus y we can change it with x to the power of n minus 1, and again here also we have dx. I think we proved our result. See, we proved now. Yes, any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. See, actually the most important thing in this problem is our substitution. If your substitution is correct, easily you can reach to the answer. Depends upon the substitution only. So this is the fourth problem we did. Let me go for one more question. In that question, I will explain how to find out the gamma values. Just give me 1 minute. If you complete it, then I'll move on to the next page. Shall we go next page? Shall we go to the next page now? It's over.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, 1 minute. They are copying. Just wait. Now you see one point here. If you want a gamma of 1/2 value that I told you, that is root pi. Gamma of 3/2 means gamma of 3/2 की value होना है suppose आपको. So the answer will be gamma of 3/2 is equal to 3/2 into 1/2 into root pi. Suppose you want gamma of 5/2 value, the answer will be 5/2 into 3/2 into 1/2 into root pi. If you want 11/2, gamma of 11/2 value, if you required, that is 11/2 into 9/2 into 7/2 into 5/2 into 3/2 into 1/2 into root pi. In that way we can find out the gamma values. Why? Because it is necessary in our next problem. Here I'll see the next question. Next question में अपने को उसकी जरूरत है, so that is why I'll tell you. Using to the next page. We can start another problem now. The next question is evaluate integral 0 to infinite e power minus 4x e power minus 4x x power 5/2 value x power 5/2 into dx. This value we require. Okay, so now we can start solution of this one. Let us assume that I is equal to, this is 0 to infinite e power minus 4x x to the power of 5/2 x to the power of 5/2 into dx. Okay, what is the gamma function definition? Tell me, anyone? Gamma of n is equal to, what is that? 0 to infinite. Answers नहीं दे रहे भाई आप लोगों. E power minus x x power n minus 1 into dx. This is gamma function. Our problem is also related to gamma function only, no? Is it okay? Our problem is also related to gamma function only. So now we'll have a substitution again. अब देखिए ये फॉर्म में बनाना बोलता हूँ. What is the difference? 4x की प्लेस में यहाँ पे x है. So we cannot assume that 4x is equal to x. We can assume with some other variable. Put 4x is equal to not x. We assume with some other variable. Let us call it as t. Now differentiate means 4 into x differentiation is dx and the t differentiation is dt. The t differentiation is dt, which implies that dx value is dt by 4. dx value is dt by 4. Now what happened to the limits we can see. See, 4x is equal to lower limit. If you put x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. Same thing. If you put x is equal to infinity, t is equal to infinity. It means that we have to mention here no change in limit. No change in limit. Limits में कुछ भी changes नहीं आ. No change in limits. So now this problem becomes I is equal to 0 to infinite, 0 to infinite e to the power of minus as it is. What is 4x we have assumed? We have assumed it as t. Okay. Now what is the x value? If you see here, it implies that what is the value of x? t by 4. So here x value is t by 4. It is t by 4 and whole to the power of 5 by 2. T by 4 whole to the power of 5 by 2 into dx value is already dt divided by 4. Right? Now this 5 by 2 we apply for numerator and we apply for denominator. This is I is equal to, this is 0 to infinite e power minus t as it is. We apply for numerator, that is t power 5 by 2. And even for denominator 4 power 5 by 2. 4 power 5 by 2 का अपन ऐसा लिखेंगे 2 power 2 whole power 5 by 2. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Into 1 by
Yes,
4
sir.
into dt. This 2 cancel. 2 power 5 is 32. 32 into 4 कितना हो रहा है एक बार देखिए बोलिए कोई भी कैलकुलेटर में. 32 4 जा
120.
128 is a constant. Pulled it out. This is 0 to infinite. 0 to infinite. It is e power minus t. E power minus t and t power. What we are getting? 5 by 2 now. 5 by 2 now.
Yes, sir.
Can we write
Yes, sir.
7 by 2 minus 1? 7 by 2 minus 1 कितना हो रहा बोलो? It's a 5 by 2 only ना. 1 by 128. This is 0 to infinite. Let us change the variable. T with x e power minus x power 7 by 2 minus 1 into dx. Compare our question, this our standard result, this one gamma function, and just tell me the value of gamma in here. It is 1 by 128. बोलिए आंसर बोलिए. This is as it is. इसका आंसर बोलिए. यहाँ पे n है तो गामा ऑफ n हो रहा है. यहाँ पे कितना
7
है?
by 2.
Gamma of
7 by 2.
7 by 2. This is I is equal to, this is 1 by 128. Actually calculator में ये gamma की value नहीं रहती. So in that case I'll tell you how we are going to find out कोई भी fraction की value find out कैसा करते हैं. अगर आपके पास gamma of 9 है तो I told you that is 8 factorial. Gamma of 7 है तो then I told you 6 factorial. अगर fraction में है तो कैसा find out करेंगे? Suppose gamma of 7 by 2 की value चाहिए आप. So this can be written as 7 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into, then finally we have to multiply with root pi. अगर मान लीजिए आपको example gamma of 9 by 2 की value चाहिए आप suppose, so then what will be the answer? 9 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi, like that. 11 by 2 किसकी भी वैल्यू आप ये लॉजिक से फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए. So then if you multiply, this is 7 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi. कोई तो भी कैलकुलेटर से सॉल्व कर. Move from here. Come on. न्यूमरेटर रूट पाई विल बी कंपलसरी. एक काम कर देता हूँ, मैं लिख ही देता हूँ यहाँ पे 15 रूट पाई बाई 1024. कोई तो भी एक जने क्रॉस वेरीफाई कर लीजिए. 15 root pi by 1024. This is the answer of this problem. Okay, I'll take the attendance and end of this session. Next class में देखिए अपना ये first half part of this beta and gamma function will be completed. Next half part will be we have power series solution. पावर सीरीज सोल्यूशन में आपको दो तरह के सोल्यूशन है. एक सिंगुलर पॉइंट का सोल्यूशन है, एक ऑर्डिनरी पॉइंट का सोल्यूशन है. एक प्रॉब्लम इज 40 मिनट्स जहां तक ऐसा भी अटेंडेंस के लिए फिर दूसरा और एक क्लास रखना पड़ता है. So now please give me the attendance. I'll go for महमूद या तंजिला, कोई तो भी स्क्रीनशॉट करके मेरे को अटेंडेंस भी भिजा दीजिए. मैं फिर भी एक बार अटेंडेंस चेक कर ले रहा हूँ यहाँ पे कितने प्रेजेंट है. 303 is there. If there, just give me the attendance. 3003, 007, 3008, 3013 is there now. 17, 19, 20, 24, 27, 28, 29. 29 इरफान की आवाज नहीं आई आज. 33, 37, 39, 42, 43. 3 सिस्टर्स की भी आवाज नहीं आई कुछ भी. 43, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49 also there today. 49, 47 Aziz Khan, Mukarram, Mohammad Mukarram, जैसे 53, 35. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Sir, 13 also present.
हाँ 13 की अटेंडेंस हो गई. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you understand the class. Okay. Do you understand, Mahmood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.